Welcome to a new property tour. Today we are in the heart of Florence, in the Oltrarno district, one of the most charming areas of the city, just a few steps from Palazzo Pitti and Boboli Gardens, a place where history, art and vibrant local life come together in an atmosphere of timeless elegance. Today I will show you an apartment that is not just a home, but is a place where every corner tells a story about prestige and nobility. Come with me. Now we are in the private garden of this magnificent apartment in the center of Florence, in a 15th-century palazzo that has hosted celebrities, actors, artists, and among them the British royal families. The current owner of this incredible property is a daughter of two important Italian families, il Marchese di San Giuliano and Fiamma Ferragamo. This exquisite apartment, in fact, is not merely a beautiful residence, but it embodies a legacy of family, passion for art, and the essence of timeless tradition. This residence has a very big surface. We are talking about 1,100 square meters and is composed by 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and 5 beautifully frescoed salons overlooking the garden. Then there is a kitchen under renovation and the private garden, which is the real plus of the apartment. Half pavé courtyard and half lush greenery. 2 convenient parking spaces in the courtyard and the former cellar that can be converted in a luxurious spa, wine cellar or a cinema area. Can be created an exceptional space for relaxation and indulgence. Let's discover the house. Entering this magnificent home, you are immediately involved in an atmosphere of refined grandeur. The spacious reception rooms is decorated with frescoed ceiling and intricate stuccos. The hall is bathed by natural lights thanks to its large windows that offer views of the private garden. And this seamless flow between the interior and the exterior creates exceptional visibility and livability of the outdoors, something really rare to find in Florence. Architectural wonders abound here, including frescoes attributed to Piero di Cosimo, as noted by De Giorgio Vasari, fine antiques and sculptural masterpieces that adorn the reception halls. Some of these multiple frescoes at the entrance were uncovered and recently restored by the current owner and their architect during the renovation process. Through diligent restoration work, these hidden treasures were revealed, adding a deeper layer of historic significance and artistic value to the palazzo. Now we are in this breathtaking library that actually is a masterpiece of design and history, enhanced by antique frescoes and the golden light that create an atmosphere of timeless elegance. Now we are in the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom with marble finishes and a walk-in closet. The bedroom is completely decorated by original frescoes and have a direct access to the garden. Walking through the rooms of this Renaissance palace, imagine the echoes of conversation and laughter that have filled these walls. This apartment isn't just a place to live, it's a stage where history and the present merge in perfect harmony. The private garden of 700 square meters, one of the largest green spaces tucked away in Florence historic center, surrounded by ancient walls and adorned with centuries-old trees, fragrant blooms and stone pathways, and an amazing fountain, is an idyllic sanctuary in the heart of the city. Thanks for watching this property tour in this incredible apartment in central Florence. If you want to know more, check online in our iconic collection, a curated selection of unexceptional properties. We see you soon in the next property tour. Bye!